Hi guys, Ralph here. For a little bit of an update for this video. It's been, well, I'm on 40 odd videos now. I'm gonna just tell you what I'm going to be doing soon. For one, I've got this cable, nice long USB to USB. Now I have, the PC is over there, and I've rigged this monitor here up to be an extended desktop. There you go. So what I want to do is something I like to call what's on my hard drive. Now I've had this thing for a while. Rig it up, 12 volts, USB, plug it in, and I've got loads of hard drives, no idea. Some of them were donated, some of them they're mine, some of them work, some of them don't. So I'm going to do a what's on my hard drive episode if I can. Not entirely sure if I'm going to do anything with the PS2. I don't know whether or not it's completely banjaxed or if it's just whatever. Anyway, but I think I'll privately, not on camera, I think I'll strip this down and see if I can get some sort of life out or into it. I'm going to be restripping this for the cable. It's a bit of a cheat, to be honest, because that comes off, and that's quite easy, to be honest. That's nothing wrong with that. There's a little bit of kink on there, but I'm fine with that. It's this cable, so much twisting over the time it's been probably played with. I'll get this stripped down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm guessing there's a hole there. 7 for the S controller. But this should be easy. It should go straight in. I think, yeah, if you can see in there, there's like a white connector misted out inside there that all the cables come down into and round. That should be easy enough to do, actually. If I can get the cable wired up to that, or they might just slide off that. That should be a very easy fix to do. And then we get good clean, because it just feels a little bit grubby. Definitely need to be redoing at least one of these. Both of them 300 models. I know one of them doesn't work because I'm knackered because I'm an idiot. The other one does, but might need cleaning up. So what I'm going to do is strip off the best of both of them and see if I can make something good out of these. You know, I was so close with that. I'm so annoyed with that because the case, I got it really well and everything, and this, yeah, I'm really annoyed that I couldn't get that working, and my stupidity meant that it broke. So, but also what I want to be doing, I've been putting this off for a while, and I might even put it off until July, is I need to upgrade my own PC. The PC in here is an older one. Well, actually I need to do that as well. I've got a spare motherboard which used to be in the house, and then that's just kind of sat here. It's a lot better than what's in the PC down here at the moment, but I don't use it for much anyway. So what I need to do is, my PC upstairs, the motherboard's fine, my birthday's up in July anyway, if anyone wants to send me a card. Then the graphics card I have in there is a Gigabyte, a 970. But what I want to do is obviously change the fan on it, put this casing on it so I can stick this water cooler on. But what I want to do with my PC for my birthday, I want to buy some new memory to make it up to, I think there's 2 strips or 8 at the moment, 3200 DDR4s in there at the moment. I've got 2 strips, I want another 2, exactly the same, put up to 32 gig, which should easily, once I future-proof it, Christ off the PCs that are in here have been future-proofed. But yeah, the future comes and says, oh, by the way, do you want this? And then completely balls everything up by giving you something else. So that might, I might do this because it's worth doing, but I need a new case in my computer as well. So the case, take the motherboard out, take everything else, strip it down, bung it all in, clean everything up. Might have to wait until July. Just don't want to wait till July. I might have to. Right, my biggest thing, what I'm going to do next, is all the donations. I've decided that the donations that I got, the laptops are broken, they'll be stripped down for parts. The PCs, I'm going to strip them down for parts as well. I can use the PC parts a lot better than we can with the laptop parts. I'm going to use a hard drive and I've got a motherboard, but what can I do with a laptop where the screen don't work, power supply not existent? So I don't know. So I might just strip everything for parts. So I might be doing that now in the next video. But anyway, just a quick rant from me. Please like and subscribe. Please donate if you want to, either by advice, by Patreon, or if you want to send me something. I mean, please. I am always willing to receive presents. So get in touch if you do. If you don't, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.